Students, as you know that I have started uh, the the chapter that are input in Java. In that input in Java, there was some small topic that was package. So what is package? Basically, students, the package are you can relate this package as a folder of your computer. So what a folder contain for uh, according to your need, according to your choice, you make the folder in your computer, and you can make a number of folders for keeping your files. Suppose you made a folder for keeping the movies, you made a folder for keeping the songs, you made a folder for keeping the picture. So in the folder of pictures, in the folder of movies, you will only keep the different types of movie, but they are all of movie types. That means their work are same, because they can show you only the pictures. So other phone other folder can be help to listen. That means to play the songs only. So and the next folder will be able to show you pictures of your click pictures. So these are the different folders first and their files. So in the same way in Java there are you can make the packages, and that packages is just like a folder in your computer, for a directory in your computer where you keep the files and data. But in Java the packages contains uh, Acha, one more thing, everyone show your faces. Immediate. This is this is my instruction. Immediate show your faces. Otherwise, I will not teach you. If those who is not listening to me, they can switch. They can go from here, because my teaching is in different way. If you do not want to show you, then go from here. Arpita, are you listening? Lakshmi Dubey, Arpita. Okay, you are Grijesh Shonkar. I wanted to see you. Okay. Okay, so students, listen. So in the same, what I was saying. Okay. The folder was in the same way. The folder, uh, in the same way, the folder was containing the different files, different types of files in the. So, but in the Java, the packages contain the classes and interfaces. What it contains, classes and interfaces, and you know better that what you know better that a classes is having the methods, a classes are having the variables also. So listen my this point also, a classes contains the method, the variables. So if you want to use that method, then you must need to import that class. So there are three ways for accessing that particular class if you want to use the method of that particular class. The first one is you just import the complete package. You can just import the complete package. How you can import? Let me write for you. Import Java dot, and Java is the main package name, util dot star. Show your faces again. I will not teach you, you are not believing on me. When I will quit from here, then you will believe. I will quit immediate. If you want to gain something, if you want to study something, then you must show your faces. Otherwise, because I want to see everyone what you are doing, you are conscious, you are serious with your study or not. That's why I want to look you. So this is the way. Import java.util.star. So by this you can import complete package. Package means you can understand like a folder, like a directory. So import complete package. Next one is you can just import particular class to which you want work. Suppose I want to work a class name is calendar. So I will access like this, import java dot u, and suppose this class belongs to the util package. Everything you know that import is a keyword and util is a keyword, and so that everything will be in the small letter. The package name will also be in the small letter. Can you understand what I'm saying? So import java dot util dot, and there is a class name calendar. So you know calendar is a class name, so C will be in the capital letter, CALENDER, calendar. Okay, might be some spelling or wrong, so I will correct it later. Do not go. I think this should be the spelling, CALENDER, calendar. So if you want to access a particular class, then you no need to write here dot star. You will just terminate this one. So this is the second way of accessing the class. And the third one way, you can access the calendar by fully qualified name. Next one is by fully qualified name. How you can access? The two ways. The first two ways, let me tell you. Okay. So what I said to you, I said if you are accessing by the class name, if you are accessing by the complete package, then that import keyword, that import line will be the first line in the Java. So what you will write, import java dot util dot star. So basically students, you know that Java is a main package and inside Java there is a util package. Can you understand what I am saying? Everyone show your faces. Sivakant Maurya. Are you Grijesh Shankar? Divya Chaudhary? Are you understanding what I am saying? Ritik? I am saying that is Java is the main package name. So as in the computer, you can make a folder inside a folder. Can you make this or not? You can make. You can make a folder inside a folder. So that are called subfolder. What it is called? Subfolder. In the same way, a Java can contain a folder inside a folder. So Java is, and how you can access the subfolder? By the dot operator. So dot operator is also called the that is access way. So java dot util. So that means it is clearly so you say you that inside Java package there are util package. Inside Java package there are util package. Am I right? Because the rule says that. So java.util.star. One thing I wanted to say you, I wanted to explain. What was this? I forget. I forget what I wanted to explain. Okay, but that was very important thing. Because these all are not in your book. You will not, if you start to study from from your book, then you cannot get anything. So listen my class very seriously. And import java.util. Okay, if I will remember it, then I will tell you. This is package, sub package I explained to you, and classes, full qualified name I didn't explain. Okay. So if I access the complete package, then I will get all the classes of util package. So basically util package is having a class calendar. What class is? Calendar. Acha, I wanted to explain, I remember it. Actually, there are two types of packages. First one is built-in package and second one is user-defined package. So mostly we will work with the built-in package, and user-defined package is not in your syllabus. What is user defined package? The package which you create and you will use according to your choice, according to your work. But students, uh, built-in packages are developed by the Java. It is developed by the Java, and you just use these packages. You just use the classes of these packages, and what happens? And do your work. So so how I can use the calendar class? Basically, calendar class is having a static method. So you know, static method is called by the class name. You know very well. So if I access the complete package, import java.util.start. That means by default we will get the calendar class and as well as all the classes which are inside the util package. So CALENDAR calendar dot. There are one static method get instance. What are the method? Get instance. Achha, some people will be confused. Sir, you have written get in small letter, I in capital letter, then after that all everything will be in the small letter. Can anybody explain me why I have written like this? Anybody? Just immediate. If you know, just immediate tell me. Anybody know? I need answer. Can you tell? Boss, can you tell me? Otherwise you just say I don't know. Otherwise I will stay here. I will not teach anything. I will stop to myself.
Correct.
Yes? Can you tell the answer? Can you?
No.
Why no, Shreya? This is the first class explanation. Why you cannot say? Anybody is here who can give the answer? Anybody? And this is not the right way to shut your mouth. If you know, just say yes, I know. If you don't know, say I don't know. This is not a crime. If you do not know, then it is not a crime. But if you keep silence, then this is a crime. Arpita, Divya, Grijesh, Gulsita.
Sir, question please tell again.
I said get is written in a small letter, I is written in capital letter. So how you can remember this that is to which letter you will write capital, to which letter you will write small? Can you tell? Can you tell?
No.
Why no? Have you seen my video naming convention? Have you seen my video naming convention in Java? And I also explained. You people are very dull. You do not, you are not interested to watch even the single videos, and you just, what I can say to you, you just watch here, see here. I explained the naming convention of method. So what I said, the first letter, and each and every letter of the first word will be in the small, and 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 after that every word first letter will be in the capital. So you know this is the second letter instance, second word instance. So the first letter I will be in the capital. If there will be another word, then that word first letter will be capital. I said to this thing or not? I said or not? Again nobody is giving response. How I can teach this class? Beta, nobody can explain Java in this manner. To which I am explaining, nobody can explain. I am explaining is a minor thing, and you people are not taking it serious. This will be a great problem for your future. You can see, you can watch the other videos of St. Basil's, you can watch the other videos of other schools. You cannot get the way of teaching of nobody will explain you the each and every point, and I am explaining each and every point, and you are not serious about that. One more thing, why I am calling this get instance by calendar class name? Why I am calling get instance method by calendar class name? Anybody tell? Shreya, I think nobody give the answer. You just say me. Tell me. Do you know this answer? Why this get instance is called by the calendar class name? Are you there, Shreya? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why this is called by calendar class name? You know? Do you know? What I said about static method? What I said about static
Sir,
method?
because calendar class cannot find symbol.
Cannot find symbol? What you are saying? Cannot find symbol means? Listen, beta. Yeah, I need to explain everything. Okay, get instance is a static method of calendar class. That's why it is called by the class name. By watching this, you should understand. This is a class name. So if a method is called by the class name, that means this is a static method. Because the definition of a static method is it will be called by the class name, and it is predefined that what it is predefined. It is predefined that if a get instance method will be called, then it will return the calendar class object, calender calendar class object, and you can, this is a object, so you can write any name of this one. So calender calendar class object. Then there are a method uh, get method. So obj dot get method, and this get method, everything is predefined, students. Do not be confused. There is a get method of which one? Calendar class. The calendar class is having a get method, and in this get method the argument will be calendar dot, and there is a static variable date, date, and this, why this date is called, might be it will be static, that's why it is called by the class name. So this date variable will be passed to this get method. So why you will pass? For getting the date, current date. Okay, so if I, and the return will be in the string form, so string s. If I print system dot out dot println and s, then see what here, what is the output? Incompatible types int cannot be converted into java.lang.string. So basically it is returning int, so that's why it is giving the output, that means there are one error. So how you can remove this error? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how you can remove this error, please? Can anybody tell me, please? if I concat this by 1, today date is, and colon and plus. Let me see again. Class compiled, no syntax error. Why? Because this string is this is the string. This complete thing is in string. So string will be concatenated with this integer value. So if this will be concatenated, the result will be in the string. So that's why there is no error. Let me show you the output. Achha, do not be confused because this is very new thing, and just watch the output, then I will tell you the other things. Just see here. Today date is 23. Can you get the today's date? 23. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Basically, there are different variables, static variables for getting the date, for getting the month, for getting the year. So month. If you use month, let me show you. You can also use this one plus today date is plus today year, year is colon and plus I will write here obj dot get, same way, there is nothing should be changed, calendar calendar, and wait, calendar, then what you will write dot, sorry, dot year, year, this one. And if you run this one, sorry, compile this one, I think this is compiled, compiled, and run it. So today date is 23, today year is 2020. So you will get date and year. So by this way. So basically this was not my aim. My aim was different. My aim was to show you how many ways you can use the calendar class. So first one I just access the util package. Next one I can access the calendar class only, calendar, calendar. Then I will write here terminator. You can see class compiled, no syntax error. Just run it. You get the output also. Next one, I can write the fully qualified name also. What are the fully qualified name? You do not import anything. Do not. Just where you are making the object, just write here java dot util dot calendar. Again here write java dot util dot calendar. Compile this one. Okay, cannot find symbol variable calendar. Is there any spelling wrong? C-A.
No.
No. So where there is a error? Can you tell me where I am doing mistake? Can you tell me where I am doing mistake? Java java.util.calendar calendar object equal to java.util.calendar dot get instance. This is correct. Let me see where the error. Acha, error in this line. Okay. So cannot find symbol variable calendar. Basically we are using the instance and we didn't import it, so we have to write again the fully qualified name over here, java dot util dot calendar, and again I need to write here java dot util dot calendar. Let me compile this one. Class compiled, no syntax error. Just run this. This code is run also. So what I explained today? Only 3 things I explained today. What 3 things? You can import complete package. You can import the particular class to which methods you want to use. Next one, you can use the fully qualified name. So this is the fully qualified name. Java.util.calendar obj equal to java.util.calendar.getInstance. Again, where you will write the calendar class, you do not write it directly. You just write the complete name. That is the fully qualified name. By the name it is clear. Fully qualified means complete directory. So where it is coming? It is coming Java package inside util package inside calendar class. Am I right? Is it clear to you? Please.
Yes.
Respond me, please. I will be very thankful to you people. Very, very thankful. I'm doing work hard and you are not responding. It's not good. You cannot understand how much work I'm doing hard for you. Wow, I am here for improving your computer only. Okay, I was with the different school and I was teaching to class 11th and 12th. And I was with you for improving, for making concept strong of yours only. But if you do not be interested, if you do not be serious, then how I can do, how I can build your concept. So can you understand whatever things I explained in today's class? Is this clear?
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes.
I need response from everyone. Then I will leave from here. Otherwise, I will not leave, and you will also not leave. You got every concept, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so students, just you do not be confused in this one. Ki how sir use get instance, how sir basically this is predefined. Get instance is the method of calendar. This is built-in packages. So what are built-in packages? Util. Inside util there are calendar class, and there are calendar class inside there are get instance method, and in the get instance method there are date static variable. So these are inbuilt things you must remember. You must remember it. There are nothing to understand. There are only thing to remember these all things. But the what things you should be serious and conceptual things. What how you can use complete importing Java package, how you can use particular calendar, how you can access the particular single class, and how you can use fully qualified name. So this is the end of today's class, students. You must watch the videos if you have any confusion. The links, whatever links I am going to share, and you can write the comment if you face problem. I will immediate give response on YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.